Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, August 4th, 2022. I'm here at the marina at Ortega Landing, and I'm on time off. I wanted to do a real quick comparison, just like I did last month. So I just did a small little area of the waterline, and I just wanted to show you exactly the difference between clean and not so clean. So it takes quite a bit of scrubbing and cleaning with our scrapers and our scrubbers to get it back to this, just because there's so much growth. But we're going to go ahead and clean up the rest of the waterline as well as the bottom and the running gear, and we'll have a final video for you.